Tired of sprays, filters, and fake scents? They only mask the smell, ours eliminates it at the source. Introducing the Boss Clean Air System, the bathroom odor simple solution. It's the #1 solution to the world's #2 problem. This isn't a gimmick. It's real engineering that pulls odor out through the toilet's internal cavity and sends it straight into the sewer line. Traditionally, odors are allowed to dissipate into the air, creating an array of unpleasant bathroom smells that we all know too well. However, the clean air system stops odor before it ever escapes the toilet. It quietly sucks odors down the drain before they ever have a chance to escape. No more holding your nose or taking matters into your own hands with extreme unrealistic solutions. And unlike candles, sprays, or filters that you have to replace again and again, the Boss Clean Air System is a one-time investment, saving you money while protecting your home from constant exposure to harsh chemicals. Provides. Because it works without perfumes or aerosols, it's a safe choice for families, guests, and anyone with asthma, allergies, or scent sensitivities. No irritation. No triggers. Just clean, breathable air. And the best part? It runs silently in the background, requires minimal maintenance, and installs seamlessly into most standard toilets. Don't miss out. Be among the first to back this game-changing product. Early backers get exclusive perks and VIP priority access. Scan now or visit Indiegogo.com to sign up today.